Good morning everyone, myself Assistant Professor Chetan Devashish Ghosh, and today we are going to learn few concepts under the chapter that is customer relationship management. So what we are going to study today, we are going to learn about customers, but evolution of relationship with customers. Now here we are going to learn three different type of relationship that can be evolved during the tenure of any organization. It can be that a company can define customer as stranger, company can define customer as acquaintances, that is acquired customer, company can define their customer as friend, and company can define their customer as partner. So let us first try to understand the first type of relationship, that is customer as stranger. When a customer doesn't make purchase or not aware about your product or services, and even if he or she is aware about your product and services but still doesn't take your goods and services, it means that customer is stranger. What kind of relationship which exists between an organization, that is a company, and a customer is that such type of customer can be categorized as customer as stranger. Now this type of customers or this group of customers or class of customers are still untapped by our organization. Why? By our company? The reason is very simple, that our strategies are not quite good enough. Our goods and services are not quite good enough. It means we have to come up with good strategies. We need to understand and identify what exactly they are looking for. Okay, so this would be a great challenge in order to convert a strange customer into our regular or else an acquired customer. Moving to the next type of customer that we can define, a company can define on the basis of relationship, that is an acquired customer or else customer as acquaintances. What exactly it refers to? When first time a customer makes a purchase of your goods and services, that is when a company would define such type of customers as acquired customers or acquaintances. Okay, here customer for the very first time would like to check the quality of your product, would be very sensitive in not only in terms of quality but also in terms of price, but also in terms of claims that the organization is making. They would like to make a check whether the claims which has been made by the organization related to their goods and services, is it appropriate, is it correct or not. Such type of customers, when the very first time they purchase your goods and services, in order to check all those claims that you make about the product or services, they would be known as acquired customers. Basically, they are such customers who were initially a stranger, but you have converted those strangers into an acquired customers. So this is what we can define such type of customers as. Moving to the third category of customer, which is known as customer as a friend or friends. Basically, these are those type of customers which regularly make your goods and purchases of your goods and services. They are well aware about your company, about your product, your services, your outlets, your contact center, your support team. They know in and out about your organization. They know how they can get support from your organization for the products that they have taken. That is why we say them as customer as friend. The next thing is they have a direct association with your revenue, with your sales, because they are the regular customer, they are the one who make regular purchases. So basically they have a good share in your profit, in your revenue, in your sales. They are the reason why your organization is up and running, why your organization is growing. So basically we would, majority of the organization try to convert the stranger not to acquired customer but to a friend. Moving to the last category of customer, that is partner. Before I do that, let me just tell you, the way we human beings are dependent on our friend, we count on them, isn't it? We are dependent on them for any thing, or else when we are in difficult times. Similarly, even the organization, they count on such type of customers who have been categorized as friend, because they are the one who contributes to the profitability, revenue of the organization. Okay. Now moving to the last type of customer, that is customer as partner. Well, this is the last category of customer wherein you convert your customer into a partner, wherein they don't purchase goods and services for the self-consumption, but they take or purchase goods and services for sales. Okay, so such type of relationship which exists between a company and a customer is known as customer as a partner. Basically, here our main focus is to convert. When we are planning or when we are making strategies to convert any customer into a partner, the main reason is so that we can prosper and we can grow. It's not a question of survival, it's a question of growth. There is when we think about converting a friend into a stakeholder, because when we talk about partner, it means he or she becomes a part of the organization. So here we are trying to convert a friend, customer who is a friend, into a stakeholder of the organization. It's not easy, but yes, we can offer multiple discounts when customer purchases in bulk with the help of their GST number, which can help benefit the organization as well as that customer who is purchasing for him as well as for other. Well, such type of customers are fully engaged with the organization. They just don't know in and out about the organization, but they also know how to sell the products to other customers or to the other people. That's it about this concept. Thank you.